from my experience, I know this issue is cross-cutting, but we have a specific lot of women that are normally most hit by this issue of maternal mental issues. One, the widows. When you're a widow, everybody expect that when your husband die, then you are done with giving birth. Then all of a sudden, people see you are expecting. So you can just imagine the kind of mental torture the widows undergo in the community. We also have the single mothers. Everybody assume that single mothers actually should not be expecting. That is how people assume in the society. And then all of a sudden, people see you going to the clinic. You can just imagine the stigma in the community. And the teenage mothers, especially the young girls who are able to expect before their time or before they get married, that they're one of the worst hit in the community. And then the long distance couples, especially women, we tend to question a lot, especially when you and your husband and your wife, are staying apart, and then all of a sudden, your wife is expecting. Maybe you visited once and impregnated her, but you won't take it. You'll assume. And nowadays, DNA has become so much available. So this one touches women a lot. So as a community gender advocates, we have sampled this group of women that the most affected in the society. So as Madiaba, actually, we have been trying to work with the stakeholders to map these women. Even right now, there's a proposal we are doing about a hub where maternal mental health education is going to be one of the desks in that hub that you are working on. So what I'll share with the panel is men need to be involved, because the number one factor that is bringing stigma on the issues of the maternal mental health is the men, especially those group of women I've counted there. The people who start such discrimination are the men. So to help on this issue, I think men need to be involved 100%. And I can see you took the first step by involving me as a man in this discussion. Just to answer you, I'm also a family man, so I understand it. Actually, I have to admit, there's a time I also had to put my wife through this. That is that really my son? Because it was when I got married, it was too early, and then she got pregnant. So just like all men out here, we tend to normally question when women are expecting, especially because men do not have the calculation of when should a woman give birth from the time of mating. So this mathematics skip men a lot.